Alright, this video will be kind of short because I'm so sleepy. Today I woke up at 6:20 and now it's 9:30 and I just want to, I'm in PM of course, and now I just want to go to have my dinner and go to sleep. So today, by the way, I created such thing. I wrote down everything that kind of have to do every day. I divided it into days, and also I'm gonna track how many hours I'm sleeping. I got inspired by one video. I got inspired honestly 2 months ago, but I abandoned this stuff twice, and I decided to start it third time. If someone is watching it and don't understand what am I talking about, I hope I won't forget to leave a link on an original video because it's really useful, and I don't want to explain all of this stuff. Like, if someone is interested, he can watch it and like implement in his life, in his routine. So today I did kind of everything I wanted. I haven't done everything I have in my list because I have two more assignments that I haven't done, but in general I did pretty well, I guess. Honestly, I'm not really satisfied because I felt I could spend today's time better. For example, when I get home after the university, I wasted about hour and a half, and it's pretty precious time because now it's 9:30 and I would like to study more accounting, but I want to sleep, so I have to go to sleep because I have to wake up early, and I can sacrifice my sleeping in order to study more. It's not smart in my case at all because it affects my well-being, and if I feel bad, I can't focus, I can't properly consume information during the day. So I definitely have to, what I was talking about. Yeah, I definitely have to get enough sleep time to avoid sleep deprivation. So there are some things that I executed. I didn't spend a lot of time doing this stuff. For example, I'm writing down my mood, but I don't really want to talk about my mood. Like lately, it's lastly, lastly, it's not really good. It's like mid. Maybe I'm kind of sad, but it's temporary. It's I don't remember. I learned a new word, but I forgot it. I need more time to learn words, to internalize them. So basically, what I've done, I wrote down my aims. I don't know why I count it as a task because it's not a task, kinda. It's just my desire to remind myself why am I doing all this stuff? What kind of aims do I have? I have to remember about this every day to realize what kind of choice should I make today. So the first time it's aims, it just takes really a lot of time, honestly, like about 20 minutes, and normally it's time kind of precious. So the next thing is reading book. I allocated 20 minutes, and for me it's enough for now since I'm creating this habit. It's enough. Then gym. Yeah, I went to the gym. Then studying English, but it's really light studying. Like, it's both because it seems as I'm studying English every day because I'm studying the university, I'm consuming this language, I'm communicating using this language, but now I divide English. When I'm talking about studying, I divide it, for example, into English that I'm improving being in university. It's not really studying, it's just because of my circumstances, and I'm grateful for this. And the second is when I'm learning new words, when I'm trying to, yeah, basically I'm just learning more vocabulary because for today I guess it's the biggest problem in my case. Like, I don't have a lot of issues in English, I guess. The first, nah, never mind. I do have some issues in English, but in general, I need just improve my vocabulary, enrich it, just in order to be able to communicate more fluently. So I was studying all words only for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is kind of nothing, but remember that something is better than nothing. And once I heard the phrase, I'm not embarrassed to do anything. Wait, I'm not embarrassed to do a little, I'm embarrassed to do anything. Or I remember like embarrassed, embraced. I don't remember the word. I will check after the video. Yeah. Then I kind of had to study in French and Dutch. I haven't done it because I didn't have time, I didn't have desire. So yeah, and the next things that I can mention, I was studying economics, but it was studying for 10 minutes because I was reading a book for 10 minutes, and honestly it doesn't bring me like profit almost at all. But let me mention that I'm creating a habit. So it's kind of it's always better than nothing. Like even 2 minutes, even 5 minutes, it's way better than nothing, and we should remember about this. And the last thing is studying accounting. I allocated, I guess, about 2 hours in the evening to study it, and yeah, it was kind of productive, but it wasn't enough because tomorrow I have a test and I would like to learn more to internalize it better, but I don't have time. So for today, that's all, and I hope tomorrow I will have more productive day. But at least a thing that I have today, it's not really bad. Like, yeah, for the beginning, it's good. So, and yeah, that's kind of all.